guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making rice paper dumplings. I'm very excited because I never tried rice paper dumplings. Ivan, do you want to eat rice paper dumplings? Rice paper dumplings. To make rice paper dumplings, you take a pan and add 2 spoons of cooking oil. Should I do it? I'm gonna pour. Turn on your gas. Oh, that's not. To the oil, you add your chopped veggies.
It's okay.
So, in your pan, you add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Wait. Stir it up. Oh, that smells so good. Now you add 1 teaspoon salt.
Yeah.
A little bit of pepper. Oh, let me tell you what makes the veggies. I use carrot, pepper, onions, cabbage. You like hot stuff, bro? If you eat spicy stuff, you could add chili sauce or chili flakes. The food will be fire. Come, I'll show you how this looks. Can I touch it? Guys, I need to go pee-pee, so just give me 1 minute. But okay, now is the fun part. You need rice papers. I have a plate here which is filled with water, normal water. So you take a rice paper, an apple, and then dunk it in water and then count to 5 and then take it out. I'm gonna do it. It's like jello skin. Wow, where is the rice paper? It looks like it's invisible. Oh, it's on the roof. Oh, it's not over there. Add your filling and then wrap it up in 2 rice papers. So this is our filling. You can add cheese if you want. I'm adding it on top. And now you wrap it up. That good?
Yep.
And do it one more time. Wait, one more way. You press it down so then it does not unwrap.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, yeah.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good thing we have 5 fingers. It's a little bit too hard for me to make pockets, so my mama did it. We'll take a pan and add oil to it. And we're going to cook these cuties. Let the oil heat up. And then we'll add these pockets into the pan. I can't wait for these to cool down. This one is the best recipe in all of these. Filling is also good. Guys, this is a very yummy recipe. When you bite it, it's chewy and crunchy at the same time. Bye guys, enjoy my video.